shi che bi dulam lom den khang ki nang la dulam lam den pa ta le che ro ram ba ji jo to la le ga che chi shi ba yi deri man che na she sim gu yong ta su tam shi le zen di to lomang ring la kya ga na gi sarang kam ma ching ta demi ani saga 제가 망고시 나라 아니 사 장강 부주다 안 등진 제조 대만세 찬다 알아서 따뚱에 점인강 아이템 이 대바 다 첼레 바텐딩 디강라 아니 생스텐데 아니 만주 비베슈에 딘진 하고를 때리 슈데 아니 데랭아 저 딘진 하고던 핸도 코랑기 미직 유림제 아니 단 믹세기 코랑기 첼레 디강라 아니 만주기 레뉴 슈기 토마테를 하길라 아니 계란기 다 모조 둔두시다 아니 계란기 다 첼레 디강라 로망시 린라 찰레남샤 디 미지 유림지 다 둔둔지 숨로나
Tishidele Changmalola. First of all, I would like to thank you, Tibetan Career Center Dharamsala, for giving me such a wonderful platform to talk about myself and my entire journey. My name is Tenzin Lhagoe, and I was born in Meo Churbaling, Arunachal Pradesh. If I talk about my educational background, I have studied from 1 to 8 from my own hometown, CST Meo, and later I moved to CST Dalhousie for 9 and 10. Yeah. After completing my 10 exam, I moved to CST Mungur, and where I've studied class 11 and 12. After passing out class 12, I have joined a hotel management for 3 years degree course in Mangalore University. After clearing my third semester of hotel management, I got a job interview. I was recruited through a campus interview where I was selected for ITC Hotel Bangalore. ITC Hotel Bangalore as a steward. Okay, I work as a steward, and later, after so much of struggling, I have worked with various 5-star hotels. I've worked with the Lalit, I've worked with the Park, I've worked with the Sheraton Hotel, I've worked with the Hilton Hotel, and also I have worked with some of the fine dining standalone restaurants like Olive Beach. This is all about my brief short work experience. Almost like I have spent my 15 years of years of work in Bangalore itself with various 5-star hotels and fine dining, good standalone restaurant. In the year of 2015, I moved to Delhi to do one of the cocktail bar project actually, where it was at Khan Market, New Delhi. The place called the Public Affair, and I've opened up that place, and I worked for 2 years, and I got a bigger picture role to work as a cluster manager bar operations for heading an entire bar and to design the bar or to train the people and the bar itself. So I was handling like 4 to 5 3-bar hotels where I was monitoring people, where I was creating menus, where I was designing recipes and all.
long hogela kerang da gobda dize neche da chele digam kenan dona yedeo chiresha de mache ani chizu an kerang gi da chele dagan rang khangla shuje ani digam lobjon chejor jere ani ja chizu an kerang gi loma ring da chale nangsha ani de ma je ani singda de ye top na sha ta tande chala ani kenan ki ta Barkeep Consulting Company sha de gi so su ge ani chong chi ye go chu na sha ta de gi chö da kenan gi mong shi ni go chu ji ta tande ne ba de bo tu ye ani ta kenan gi gyurim din na la ani kanyi ma da che gyure ani kenan kanyi khande che songs 아니 간이 델라 트랑기 동네 컨디션 나이 대강 직송로 나
The hotel management the plus two complete the hotel management share the migul the choice new the ira tambo the be journalism chigo some stra inia be journalism the sit the field chashra and option new the hotel management ira hotel management kajin juin lana ra hotel management kajin juin lana ta goya di meeting sugi lagi dura ta bcom chi bcom chi nga laga rama so da mampu chi nga any to course ra any mi bangpu chi lagi dura hotel management chi ra laga lamsang ra gi lan hotel 5-star hotel laga mampu lamsang ra gi lan any nga ti khonyong ra any on di chi nga hotel management zui ni ya chudu up chuta challenges ta pe mangpo hotel la challenges discipline look de gudura and the system do hoda policies do follow chigudura and the college cups the and q dos dura college cups the q dos dura and third hotel management la the losum chigurda bachelor degree of hotel management ra losum year any low to the industrial training engine chigurda industrial training engine chigurda the ngarang di china ngarang ta losum complete chira I have completed my 3 years degree course of hotel management Mangalore University ni chi ene ta nga complete the kapsu ta konju gi the hotel gi koran su gi campus interview the arrange gi dura ene campus interview arrange the kapsu I was selected to campus and I was having a job in my hand. As soon as I clear my third year course, I got a job. Then I've worked with the big hotels like ITC Hotel Bangalore. The first job here, ITC Hotel Bangalore. And ITC Hotel Bangalore the first job here, tangpo tanga kange mangpo chik tesra kain sinara tangazu college the real life journey real life kachi the real life laga the pet kora khaga roshre it's like opposite you know you will have a real picture when you work inside the hotels the inside the hotel la laga chidu kapsu the real picture thongurda clubtra kapsu the college kapsu the picture the real picture thongo mar khajina the only some theoretical raw theoretical chidu kapsu practical the hotel nanglo kona laga chidu kapsu practical the thongar ra thongar kapsu challenges the hardship pe mangboy you have to work for 12 hours laga chiwor 12 hours like minimum like 15 hours laga chiwor and people it's quite difficult for someone who have impatience passion make you insula local the passion make you insula it's very difficult for them actually so hardship mampu gorda kisi ra hotel management chigi and make you the kisana then you should have a full focus ra kale gai la ne tanga kale gai ra khai china kale gai and engage senior la na ta konjo the senior do you ra like manager supervisor that you need to follow his instruction or her instructions so politely gentle you should because it's hotel is kind of very sensitive and it's very it's service oriented around order chidu kapsu the guest gaju tang sigire if you are a short temper Gesir are short temper in a raw, you will not able to digest that color, the kaju di raw, not digest it on and so for that you need to have a big heart actually. if you have a very short temper kind of attitude, it is not good for you to join a hotel industry or any service industry. So dara hira ane ta kali ta mangpu pe yore the kali mangpu she na the mangpu yora the basic kali doji yorda hotel gachira hotel ta yisira muthu ni kale gyabra and muthu ni kale gyadu kapsura and yaga duela yisira danda steward imbache steward ne supervisor chegire supervisor ki floor manager chegire floor manager ki any restaurant manager chegire restaurant manager ki any various like food and beverage manager chegire and ya chai yor kenza gisi rang focus to yapuena future plan do yapuena ra hotel la bira chaya pe yapo kuka pe yapo any di pawala lega di tak ta lega muth ni chai di pe gechimbore kisra lega logic chi loni chi ra any yukshana any di kenza ya zaila any kalika ku chungre ra any da di da hardship de pe ma di yorida kalol na khapo yorida da dagara ngarang bi challenges dagara da di kalol da di dagara nga di chess da I mean I face all this kind of challenges, you know. You need to obey your seniors, you need to obey your manager, you need to obey each and everyone. You need to polite with your guests. You need to be so hospitality. It's very important in this line actually. Yeah.
Long ni nagula kirangi ani music yurim cheche ani kirangi Lady Dina and Kanya Kadishiva and Kiran Sunso, the Tarangi Chile di Chatubaina and Mila, Nisha and Chile Chadi and Kirangita, Tasavana, Dagachil Zambata, Rimba Mamushi, and Rimba Gomeki or Manaka and Jota, and Demi Yang Dubanyam Dum, and Dubegi da. Sosola ani geje shejo dinde kamla kanye rabber besti tigi yore ani na tele kira kisuna so an soso senche bushta ani soso minyam tpatu geje shejo ani kamen nan keba ani jambo nan tunyeji dinde shi ku yore se sungso ani ta di che ni chodi karen shueina ani ta leri dinamla shueina ta di ta lambo juro ta dinam contested to ures di ta anita lady di huge ya hado che yores onine sigama anisuro na
scope of bartending as a career in bar professions ra bartending chela khargorla na bartending chela minimum 10 pass kor ra minimum 10 pass kore ene course chela dawasum course yore dawa 2 course yore ene logic be course yore ra the course chela kharyorla na the institute bartending gachi schools yore bartending schools yore mixology schools yore the tamender the bartending chela ra course yore course nangla khatlap gilana konsogi tangla liquor gachi lapgire konsogi wine la lapgire konsogi ramsula communication skill lapgire ta mangbu sure da ta only lapgira di lap sawa ta konsogi rangla certification nangire certification nangira certification nangne da kon la so da ta la chere the last la call la chor la na bars la chor bars la bit the category mangpo chor ra cocktail bar yore pub yore club la yore and a fine dining restaurant la bi la chor ra and a casino bar la bi la che ta ku khap to ju ragor ra ta bartending course chwa ta lamsa na bartender the position the rang mar ra tambo dikhal ragilla na ram bar back ka position ragire bar back ke chikharilla na bar back mixi da bartender ga ji dakhalo assist chingi do chre bartender assist chingi do chra ani ta gondi bartender and bar back tambo the position lowest the bar back chawar and bar back jela ram position the bartender legira bartender jela ram head bartender legira and head bartender jela ram bar executive lana bar supervisor lana tawchik par rosre ra ani ti jela da bar manager chawar ra bar manager chawore ane da the hierarchy do chawar da the hierarchy the bartending course in ane the hierarchy do ya zai de kin sang ma ra da bartending chin ra da mangbo da khalor da laga ta mangbo che yor ra liquor company laga che yor re ane rang da bar la bi laga che re sales la bi laga che yor ra ta mixi ki mangbo che yor da mixi ki mangbo che yor re da bartending che la ra rang you must have a positive attitude, you must have a good communication skill, you must have patience also, and you must have a good hardworking personality ra that in so the qualities to re the bartender gachi qualities to ra and the peche da changma cover change samsra the bartending the dagaran re the bartending chingi thona ra the so skill the develop che the package chambore ra skill develop che the package chambore ane shida khakpo ni yomare khakpo ni yomar so da skill develop che la ra sangma the che da online yore books da yore ane mangbo ji yor da bartending che so da self interest in chimichi kor ra ta pije da rai
laon thagla ta kirangi ta le dina shuwai na ta rimba kades che to res rimba ta mangshi ni rimba kades che za gu re de zo ga la so na so ani ta lega di le dina shuwai na lega kare gar che yores ta changi sura na lega che re andemi an changa na lega che re andemi tongle ga lega che dine ga mo so na so de ma se ani ta so mi so ki rangshi ki kandiro shku res yora ani so ki samdang cho sambushi ta ani so ani minyam dewa che kyewa che ani de ma se ani so la ani so sen chimbuchi ta ani so ta kale kya thunye chi ku res ani de ma se ani so ki ta nyang yang do ta so ki nuba hompe sta na ta skill development shura ani wo de ne che thunye chi ku res che so 다 디제기 얘기 되어디 가르쳐 드리겠습니다. 하길라 체랑 딱 배우신 게 시래 아니 땅안 지도 되라 안도 배우신 게 뭐시 요래 안 코란토나 체랑기 딱 랍자마서네 티 같이 시송나
well ra ta nga ngarangi ta Tibetan youth la ta advised da khare ti lan ra kisi ngai bachas nga di bartender chin la ta piji lo chupshi chongas to do ra chu chonga do re bartending di bi pe skillful work ra kisi round so kisi nga bartender chai la nga bar mixologist chai na di bi decision de pe ya por bartender be kogachi the steps me mangbo re jema the bartender ki head mixologist ki the bar manager and a beverage manager brand manager the gukhop the pe mangbo yor the gukhop the mangbo ye ra and the advice the kharilana round so the focus the pe gecham bori ke singa ngarai bachas nga bar la dwai la na bar it's like a entertainment do you entertain chair da mila ra minyam to communicate chair do da minyam do thewa ya push di pe gechim pore bar na la pe gechim pore ene ta bar lega chair bi ra ene ta round so la ra khari the advice chain la na ra the focus the number 1 ra ene the passion to learn the you need to learn a lot of things. You need to Google it, you need to find the resources, you need to if you have anyone mentor kisi ransula kisi senior kisi ngaransu imbachesh ta kisi pugo younger generation ina nganzu nyam the contact che yore ani nganzu khai nganzu nyam sa sare ra ani nganzu nyam be contact chi ra contact chi ni the color, the communicate share you ra, and you should gain some experience, you should gain some knowledge, and it share ra, and it the dagara ra, and it dagara advice to you, and it see around so more information go in a ra, nigi profile picture, nigi Instagram page you re, on the kalana TENZ_LHAGOE that the Instagram user ID ra kisi round so then you need to learn more, you need to need suggestions, something like that. You can always DM me on my page, you can see my page, and you can see my entire work, my the entire journey and entire things, is everything is on my page. You can see, and you can ask any kind of questions regarding bartending or regarding this profession. I will always happy to help. Yeah, dagarai tuje chena
la tojenang ta kirangi dandishala hanzu bebe shenge chola da su jasha karichiki yowene de la migo tempo che ta focus ya kusungwa che de ma se su changi yin sambe logic ta ngone dimba kije changai di che ani de ma se ani su da mission nyam de dewa shawa be geshin bure che sumna so de ma se kirangi da hanzu ta sembu chamala da chile diga in yowe na ankiran tega dewan nangdana ankirangi roga chigi yin che dine she na so andele ya yegi mixe tojin nan ta ani nganzo da bimdilum lokden khangki da leje changme chap shuje ani kirang na ning taboni tojina shuyi ani drink lejendi daga jamshigi ani kondo an lagula yi sungbe kame yuzo senje ani sembo tenge changmala ani sembuji tingre sambudu ani mixe gita chele karchi hibaine da dela pe mixe store sambudu lao ani toje che